Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're at the beautiful Eurimbula National Park. It's a great little camping spot for the kids. As you can see, they've all had a lot of fun. It's a few kilometers just before we get to Agnes Water. We turn off and we're right on a junction right next to a creek. So we get to go surfing. There's some nice little breaks out the front, as you can see. There's also good for boating, so you can go into the creek itself. You can go kayaking. We've done a lot of activities. We've seen a lot of dolphins in the surf. We've seen some snakes. We've seen some goannas. It's been a great little spot. So anyway, hopefully you like the video.
Here it is. The bad phone. No, bad phone. Okay, seriously, this is the little guy. The must-have coffee accessory, coffee maker machine, best in the world. Well, we think it's pretty good anyway. It's been about 4 years old and we've made hundreds of coffees out of it, and it's just the best little machine for camping or day trips or anything like that. Really easy to use once you know how. Very little working parts, so there's nothing that can go wrong with it. There's a small seal in there that we've had, like I said, since new, and hasn't let go yet. It does take a little bit getting used to, but once you do, you'll have beautiful coffee done for you whilst you're camping or during your day trip. It does really good short lattes, so you can make 2 short lattes or you can make 1 double shot. Apart from that, that's all she wrote. Mate, I'm just adjusting the temperature of the fire. It's called turning the knob. Alright, not many people know how to turn the knob.
Right.
Pretty simple. You get a shovel. Alright.
Yep.
A little bit of fire in there and a little bit of coal. And you strategically place the wood so it either cools or heats.
Look at that. That's roaring. That's roaring. That's really good.
Taking a video!
Either cools or heats.
What have you got going?
Oh wow, just chicken stir fry there, Ralph.
Very good. It's camping special, hey?
It is.
Look at that.
Yes.
Love it.
It's very special.
Very good. Do you want to tell us how you've made it, mate?
Just browned off the chicken, added some vegetables and some noodles and some flavours.
Very good.
And
Perfect.
away we go.
Alright guys, hopefully you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't. Take care guys. Bye everyone.
Bye!
Okay, give it a quick test. 1, 2, 3. Move your bum. Move your bum, dude. Do a test. Okay, that's it.